discuss about everything that you need to know about debt, equity, and valuation. So, what is valuation? Valuation is the financial worth of a business, that how much worth your company is. So, equity means basically owning a piece of the business. Example, when someone raises 25 lakhs for 5% of the equity, basically he's taking 25 per lakhs from an investor to give him 5% share of his company. So, whatever profit the company makes going ahead, so 5% will go to the investor. So the total valuation of the company here would become amount raised upon equity in percentage. So 25 lakhs upon 0.05, which is equals to 5 crores. So the company claims that its worth is 5 crores. In the similar way, debt means lending money to a business. Example is 25 lakh debt at a rate of 12% interest per annum. So in this case, you won't be able to determine or change your company's valuation, because debt is a loan that is need to be paid back with an interest. So here you cannot determine or change your company's valuation. And the enterprise valuation is one of the important valuation, which is basically your equity valuation plus debt valuation, which you'll understand in the last example, that is integration of debt and equity. So suppose example, you are taking 15 lakh, the company is taking 15 lakh from an investor for 5% equity and then 10 lakh as debt. So in that case, your equity valuation will become 3 crores by using the formula here, but the debt valuation would remain 10 lakhs itself, because 10 lakh is the debt that has been taken. So the new enterprise valuation would become 3 crores, that is your equity valuation, whereas 10 lakhs, which is your debt valuation, that would become 3.1 crores. So these are the three ways how companies take or raise money from an investor. That's it from my side. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.